Hi, welcome back to Enjoy Learning with Abby. In Lesson 1, we learned how to label all the voice keys by using the musical alphabet. Do you still remember them? The 7 letters from A to G. In this lesson, we'll move on to the black keys. Before we start, you may now click Settings and select the language you would like to see the subtitles in. I've prepared English and Chinese subtitles for this video. Regarding the names of the black keys, there are 2 concepts you need to know. They are sharp and flat. The music sign for sharp is this one, and the sign for flat looks similar to a lowercase b. Black keys on the piano take their names from the white keys. If they are to the right, which means higher in pitch, they are said to be sharp. If they are to the left, that is lower in pitch, they are said to be flat. Each black key, therefore, has 2 names. For example, this black note is to the right of C, so we call it C sharp. Likewise, the black note is also to the left of D, so the other name of it is D flat. Let's take a look at one more example. This black note is to the right of B and also to the left of D. So the 2 names are D sharp and E flat. Could you label the other 3 black keys? Let's do it together. This is F sharp or G flat. And this one is G sharp or A flat. And the last one is A sharp or B flat. Good job! Now, could you answer me immediately what is the other name of F sharp? Yes, it's G flat. But some of you may ask, if both names are technically correct, how do we know when to call it F sharp and when to call it G flat? Well, to call it A sharp or A flat is determined by a song's key, or what we call the key signature. For example, if the song is in G major, musicians will call it F sharp instead of G flat. However, we won't go too in-depth about the key signature in this lesson. There will be another video explaining it. But technically, no matter what name you use, F sharp or G flat, other musicians will also know which black key you are referring to. By now, you are probably aware that labeling the white key first will help us to name the black keys. If you are not sure how to label the white keys, please watch my previous video. This lesson is very easy, isn't it? In the next lesson, we'll talk about the correct posture when playing the piano. So get your fingers ready and stay tuned. I'll see you soon on Enjoy Learning with Abby. Bye!